Good day, sir, ma'am. I am Rochelle Martin. I am 39 years old, married, and a mom of 11-year-old boy and 10-year-old girl. I am college level, 1 year undergrad. I work here in Philippines as a housemaid. I serve one family. My duties are cleaning their house, cooking, laundering, ironing, and taking good care of their 3-year-old daughter and their mother. For my future employer, if you will hire me, I will treat you as my own family. I will do my best and taking good care of your kids. I am honest person, trustworthy, dedicated, and hardworking. I am looking forward to meet you soon and to build my better future with your family. Thank you so much.